Welcome back to another episode of Boxmining. We are live. My name is Michael, and the ETF for Bitcoin has just approved. Well, it got approved a few hours ago, but man, it's got some insane.
Welcome back to
Oh, there we go.
another
Finally, we're making
episode
sure the.
of Box.
Oh, that was my intro on play, but it's an exciting day. Obviously, the SEC approved all the Bitcoin ETFs reluctantly, of course, but they also started a whole altcoin season today. It is super exciting. Look at that. Look at that. The field of green, almost 20% up for a lot of coins. The bubbles are huge today. And with that, guys, we need to change our looks, right? Crypto, we've been wearing the McDonald's hat for too long. We've been working our asses off, flipping those burgers to buy our altcoins. But finally, it's time. Hat reveal, drum roll, please. 24K magic, baby. We are gold. We are the new gold of this world. We are magic. We are getting things started. So hat reveal, hat reveal, hat reveal. Let's get this stream started. Let's get some excitement. Let's get some hearts. Let's get some hearts in here. Not only are we front running, like we have Hugo Holmes, it's time to front run the Ethereum ETF. It's not just about that. It's a time for altcoins. We've got so many people coming back in. Angela Wang, Glimper Juliana, Hugo Hom, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We're going to do a lot more live streams like at this time, so kind of restarting and reshaping everything that we have here. So welcome all, welcome one and all. But today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a very quick discussion on what happened with the SEC. Of course, it's the main new headline news. Then we're gonna talk about the altcoins because altcoins are going crazy today. Ethereum itself, like you can tell when things are crazy when Ethereum moves up like 8%. It almost feels like if you just look at the markets, it feels like Ethereum got the ETF approved and not Bitcoin because Bitcoin barely really moved that much. I think a lot of this, like we're discussing this, like with the ETF approval, the market kind of priced that in already. People are waiting to see how high it'll go. They're like, putting USDT on the side to see how far it go. Bitcoin didn't move that much, but Ethereum took the thunder. Ethereum was just like, yo guys, it's my time, baby. It is my time to shine. So Ethereum, $25,000 plus, almost 26,000. But beyond that too, it's not just about Ethereum. It's not Ethereum's moment in the sun. Arbitrum, bam, look at that, 22%. Oh my God, 22% on ARB. Mantle, you guys were seeing that? Let me before we even start this video, let me do a quick refresh on this. This was my list of coins, my $1 million portfolio, right? We're talking about that. And when we made that video, it wasn't altcoin season yet, but it's altcoin season now. So we need to do a quick refresh on what is happening with all these altcoins. Let me show you when the video was live. So I made that video 7 days ago, 7 days. So it was the fire and forget, but I haven't forgot about you. Portfolio. So let me go to API connector. Let me click refresh. Now let's see what the prices are. Let's see how much these things have gone up relative to the entry prices. And even if you guys were just following that, oh my God, my sheet doesn't work, does it? Oh, come on. Nothing works when I want to be on stream. Refresh now, please. Please refresh. Please, refreshing all requests. Like I try to link these APIs up. Oh yeah, current price. There we go. There we go. So we're up a lot, guys. We are up. So I need to change the color for these manually. This is how primitive this channel is. Oh, it's up. It's green. Hey, look. So we are up aggressively. Look at Mantle, 24%, Arbitrum 77%, Injective 54%. This is relative to these prices, but man, everything is moving up. Like these coins I've been talking about, Arbitrum leading the pack, right? Mantle leading the pack. Layer 2s on Ethereum. So Ethereum moves up, layer 2s move up. Whole market's gonna move up. The rising tide is gonna raise all the boats. Anyways, guys, smash the likes. Let's get some hearts in here. Well, I can actually do this properly. Let's get some hearts. Smash up the likes. Start sharing. I just shared this on everything, but what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna do a lot more live streams. So I'll really appreciate if you guys share, join the channel. It's just gonna be a lot of fun. Like the mojo's back. right? Anyways, before we get started, let's roll the intro. Let's get started. All right, you better be smashing those likes when the intro's rolling, man. So first and foremost, let's just cover what the SEC approval was about. So 11 applications, including BlackRock, ARK Investments, Fidel. Oh wait, here we go. So this was the biggest news that's been updated. 13 applications for the Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock, ARK Investments, Fidelity, Investco, Van Eck, amongst others, approved by the SEC. Right? This is an early approval, January 10th. I almost thought it would go into March. In fact, that was what Matrix thought. That was what the market was being fearing last week, right? But finally approved. It was a roller coaster ride that I did not want to follow. Yesterday night, it was just going on and off, and I was just like, you know what? Like, I have my positions in. I have my altcoin positions in. I have my Bitcoin positions in. I made just one last gamble last minute around like 8 hours ago for on leverage, actually, just because I thought, you know what, because the CBOE already kind of like foreshadowed the ETF approval, I actually just went ape and I took a Bitcoin long position yesterday. But other than that, it wasn't very exciting. It was that was like long. I was neo long as well. I'll talk about that in a sec. But yeah, it was like a pretty fun long. And then I converted a lot of that long. I'm kind of closing that long and converting my positions into a full spot, into full physical Bitcoin that I can store away. Because, all right, guys, not financial advice. Nothing on this channel is financial advice, but this is the start of the marathon. Right? This is not like, oh, hey, let's just dump Bitcoin and I just call it a day. This is the start of the season. This is the official start, right? We kind of were in preseason. I would say like December and kind of a little bit of November was preseason. Now this is the main start. Like the Gary Gensler literally just fired a gun, like, and like, that's going to start off the altcoin season, right? Which is why we're so excited, right? We see people coming back in. Like, I've already seen a lot of growth on Boxmining Plus channel. If you actually look at Boxmining and Boxmining Plus, the growth was insane. Like, we're literally getting like 2,000% growth on the sub channel. And it's just like, wow, like people are watching a lot more stuff. Like initially, like this channel was small, right? We're getting like 300, 400 views, but now we're getting thousands, and literally there's just like it just spawned overnight. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. But I definitely see a huge amount of traffic, like just interest overall, and I didn't expect it. This was just, it was really meant for a test, and that's just a testament to the people coming back, right? So I see not just Bitcoin, in terms of the SEC, in terms of approval, Standard Chartered analysts said that it can draw 50 to 100 billion this year alone, driving prices to 100K. So yet again, start of the marathon. This is a start. We haven't started yet. It hasn't been listed. It hasn't, the money hasn't come in. What we're expecting is that this ETF will bring a lot of advertising, right? It's gonna be, it's kind of like the SEC kind of saying to the entire world, yes, this is something you should pay attention to. All right. And we said the value of the ETF is an easy entry point and immense marketing for Bitcoin. That was the value, right? And this is why this is the start. The marketing hasn't even begun. This is just us saying, oh yes, okay, now we're off to the races, right? Think about how much marketing is going to be placed on these ETFs, because there's so many people like fighting for BlackRock, ARK Investment, and shares, Fidelity, Investco. All these funds will benefit from more people buying into their version of the ETF, their ETF. So they're gonna put marketing on them. That right? They don't mind losing money for the first 2-3 years and spending all the money that they make on marketing, because once they win the ETF race, once they become the biggest ETF provider, they're gonna milk that for the decades to come. Right? You guys have to remember, this ain't about just this year. This is about the decades that's going to come after. Right? This is going to be about the next time a financial collapse comes and people freak out and want to buy Bitcoin. Right? That is a scale. That's the length. That's the time scale. right? We're on such a tiny time scale. Like, I think a lot of times we just overview Twitter and think, oh yeah, it's a very short time scale. Let's just trade that. No, it's not. It's about years, right? And this is something that we've been doing on this channel, which is really focused on the years. This channel's been around since 2016, right? That's a long time. I'm getting old, but that is what this race. That's what this race is. People confuse this with a sprint. It's not. It's a marathon. But anyways, just going back, if you guys don't know the scale, that's a tiny reminder. This is what happened after the gold ETF was approved, right? We're expecting the same pattern. Yet again, this is why I'm talking about this long term, right? It wasn't just about, 2004, right? 2004 didn't really impact the price that much, but think about what happened after the gold price, after the ETF approval. It's just spiked up, right? It was multiple folds. And this isn't not even a digital asset. This is even a new asset. Think about it. Bitcoin is a new asset. Think of the impact on the price of Bitcoin from this ETF, right? So yet again, I think a lot of people, if you're just like looking at today's prices for Bitcoin, sure, it's priced in, sure, it's not super exciting, but God damn it, we're gonna go places, right? All right, that's pretty much it. And then also, of course, I mean, obviously, if you guys have been following the drama on Twitter and everything, right? It was such a shit show. I mean, the SEC kind of leaked this release, like with their their hacked tweet. It was just a disaster, and it goes to show that this is not just a transition of power, like to Bitcoin, but it's a transition of power from like these traditional institutions and traditional infrastructure to a new type of infrastructure. It's not just about Web 3.0. This is World 3.0, right? I think that's the difference. You can clearly see that with the SEC like Twitter hack, the SEC can't even protect their own Twitter. How can they protect investors? Right? They got security in the freaking name, and they can't even protect their own Twitter account. That's how ridiculous this world is. And this is why that transition into the decentralized space is becoming important. And I think that's why the Ethereum narrative is kicking off. You know, I'm sure someone's going to type, oh, Ethereum's deflationary or something like that. We know that. But I think it's also the narrative shift, right? From centralized sources of power controlling and dictating the pace of the world to decentralized power. And that's very different. Transparency across the board. I had a very interesting discussion yesterday. And it's interesting because the traditional finance world has been dominated by opaque, very non-transparent, very like horribly phrased assets and products, right? That's how the financial collapse came. But with Ethereum, you can see exactly where assets are moving, where they are going. You can take decentralized control of your assets. That is a power that will just transform the financial industry. And that's why we're here. That's why we're here. Anyways, so I just want to see a quick note as well, like on the topic of the SEC approval of the ETF. Gary Gensler's statement in his own words, right? I think this was just like a fun line to read just to finish up. He says, "We are now faced with a new set of filings similar to those we have disapproved in the past. Circumstances, however, have changed. The U.S. Courts of Appeals for the District of Columbia held that the Commission failed to adequately explain its reasoning in disapproving the listing and trading of Grayscale's proposed ETP (brackets the Grayscale order). The court therefore vacated the Grayscale order and remanded the matter to the Commission. Based on these circumstances and those discussed more fully in the approval order, I feel the most substantial path forward is to approve the listing and trading of these spot Bitcoin ETP shares." The guy's so reluctant. The guy's like, nah, I didn't want to do this. I did not want to do this. I did not want to do this. But I had no choice. Right, and I got this as well. I got Perplexity to read between the lines. This is the power of AI because this thing was super long, and then it was like super convoluted. So I told AI to actually or convert the speech, not convert the speech to plain English and read between the lines. So the TLDR of Gary Gensler's speech as interpreted by AI uh, is that the approval does not indicate the SEC views on a status and other cryptocurrency as blah, 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 blah. It's still it's not really plain English, but you know, the approval does not endorse ETP arrangements such as custody arrangements. So they're kind of saying, yeah, we had to do it. Right? That's the TLDR. All right. But AI is pretty interesting. I've been trying these AI tools to kind of interpret everything because like I want to create more interesting content for YouTube. I just found this interesting. Like I'm constantly using AI to translate words, but the end essence is that no, he didn't want to approve it, but he had to anyways. We're bringing in Ron. By the way, we have Ron coming. Hello there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We have 24 karat magic. Did you see my hat upgrade?
I saw.
The hat upgrade. That's we need to retire from McDonald's. You still want a McDonald's hat?
No.
We're gonna chuck it.
Okay.
Chuck it.
It's gone.
It's gone. It's gone. It's 24 karat magic, baby.
24 karat
Magic
magic
in the air. I'm gonna wear gold this year. I feel like gold is my my element this year.
Your limit?
24K.
Yeah.
It's 2024. Right.
Uh-huh.
Gold is here. I'm wearing my gold watch because I feel like it's time.
Yeah.
And buy some more gold.
Uh-huh.
I know. I'm Chinese. I'm Asian. I believe in these things.
Okay.
So we're gonna talk about altcoin season. Is there a perfect time to come in and talk about altcoin season?
Yes.
So, what's your take, Ron? Did you buy altcoins yesterday? Did you?
Yeah. I have a lot sitting in Hashkey. I was expecting Ethereum to dip just a little bit, but it's kind of soaring up. I think we're entering into new range. Because the thing is, right now in Hong Kong, if you have to OTC, you can only buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then move that to another exchange in order to, move to another wallet, right? So my buy order is still there, but let's just see.
Hey, I made a great. I gambled on this. So okay, let's do an introduction. Ron is an analyst at Boxmining, been working here for 3 years. He's behind the scenes writing articles, writing updates.
Yeah.
Doing airdrops, and now he's making a fuck ton of videos.
Yeah.
I can swear now because it's been like 18 minutes into the stream. So Ron's been here for a long time, but you weren't fully into crypto, right? Last cycle you did not full commit.
Yeah.
You were like
mostly just data analyst, and I know some people in the comments are like, "How are you an analyst? You're just like an English major," and then, English major, white paper in English. I read
English.
I understand
English. You understand the English.
Financial document. I study.
Don't worry.
I understand.
Don't worry. We don't even need that. We got GPT here. We got
Exactly.
Perplexity to convert what Gary Gensler said into plain English. I actually literally I couldn't even type English. Convert the speech to plain English and read between the lines.
Covert.
Because I can't do stuff properly.
You're a
But
chemist for sure.
core chemist for sure. I'm chemistry background, but luckily I got on to crypto 2016. So I wanted to kind of like spice up the channel. Ron's a key figure now, right? He's representing the new blood.
Yeah.
Right? I gotta hand the torch over. The metaphorical torch of metaphorical torch of Bitcoin, Ethereum investing analysis over. You have the torch now.
Thank you.
You can also smack me in the face with this torch.
Right now?
No, not now. But we're gonna talk about a little bit of altcoins. We're bringing a lot more comedy to this channel because I feel like I'm too old to be serious anymore. But
to admit you're old.
I am old, man. I am old. I'm an old man. That's why I have to wear hats now. To cover up my bald spot.
Oh Lord.
I actually don't have a bald spot. Luckily.
Well, hopefully though.
Hopefully not. But I feel like there's so many new investments to take place, so that's why Ron is here to kind of be the
Oh yes.
be the side piece, the sidekick. Actually, you're going to be me. You're gonna face swap to me, right? That's the
with
Fame AI. You can do that. Like
Oh.
face off.
Oh.
Face off. Okay,
Uh-huh.
sorry. But okay, let's go back, focus back on the alts. So I guess in many senses, the buttons are changed here.
Oh, they're
You can just
changed.
gonna zoom in on my face. You can zoom in on my zit, right? Ah! All right. What's up, my Asian brother? What's up, Ron?
What's up?
So, Ethereum. Did you expect this yesterday, Ron?
No, because here's the thing.
Here's the thing.
Half
Here's
of the
thing.
people will think that okay, after Bitcoin starts pumping a little bit and then it starts like trading sideways because they're obviously it's now we learned that it's not gonna be like a super god candle after the approval.
Yeah, it's not
as
massive.
we're looking at right now.
It's a marathon, not a sprint. I think people were confusing the race.
Exactly. And
Right.
when it's sideways, they think that liquidity will flow into Ethereum. And then there's the other half, which I'm leaning more towards because, Ethereum is kind of like a stable coin in the past few months. I thought that it would pull back a little bit to 2,200.
Oh, so you didn't buy?
I put a buy, not yet. Yeah, I didn't buy. Fuck it, dude. I'm just gonna say I didn't fucking buy it, dude. Okay, but that is the optimal buy zone.
TLDR, he didn't buy it. Idiot.
No, wait.
Idiot.
It's
Look
not-
at the farms. I'm gonna flex my farms in front of you, so you're gonna feel
But-
sad. Okay, I'm gonna make you sad. All right.
but-
Look at this.
but-
Look at this. Look at this. Look. We got wrapped Ethereum here. We got wrapped Mantle. Mantle is up 20% today. I am thrilled. Mantle and Arbitrum is up. Look, March of
see?
16% Mantle.
You see?
Mantle, I'm harvesting that. Do you guys remember last stream? I was harvesting the Mantle, and this was not working for me. Like that last stream was bad. Like nothing was working for me. But now I can flex. Look, I got like $300 in Mantle. This is my yield from last time, like $900. I'm getting daily yield, bro.
Uh-huh.
Daily yield, I'm telling you. So that's what we're gonna do on today's stream. I'm gonna fill you guys in on the daily yield, on the alpha drops, on the airdrops. Ron's very big on airdrops, of course, but we're gonna fill you in on the altcoin season because right now, like if you haven't placed yourself in like altcoin season, like if you haven't positioned yourself well, you should. Like this is not financial advice.
You think I'm trying to? Ethereum is moving like this.
And then
that's how I
your
can
planet
only-
and then your planet position just dumped like
Dude, and then what happened a few days ago? You said you were no. I knew that you were kind of scared because they're already 2x practically.
shit. I should have not have given you my torch, my torch. But guys, so I feel like this is what we're gonna do for the next few weeks on this channel. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you're a member because we're talking about ways to get yield, right? Ways to make the most out of that money. You check out beefy.finance. I'm gonna flex my beefy in front of you. I did the stream. I think that was a bad stream and no one really watched it because I was like not feeling it. But look at the beefy yield, $5,000 a
Oh,
day.
Lord Jesus.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Arb
Eve position. Arb Eve position. Look at the Arb Eve position that I have. So if you guys didn't know, I put my Arbitrum with my ETH. It's actually good and bad because technically, so just to explain this position for you guys here, I saw that this was yielding very well because the APY was like 600% almost. And I went into this assuming that ARB and ETH are very correlated and they're very close together, which is why I felt like, let me just increase the size of my ARB position. Let me increase the size of my Ethereum position. So I bought more ARB just for this.
Okay.
All right. And it worked super well. Like not only was I getting a massive yield, but I was also getting the exposure that I want.
Yeah.
And also, of course, like daily increase, and I'm benefiting from it. It's good and bad. Like if you're holding pure ARB, I think you would have made more. But because I was consistently gaining, I was able to put more money into this position overall. So I think I'm super happy on this position. It's just every day it's just going up. Like this is like I'm all smiles today, guys. I am all smiles. The only downside, of course, is that this one the withdrawals are still available, but the yield was a little bit lower. But anyways, we'll talk about that later and the risks. But what we're gonna focus on the channel for the next few days is kind of gonna fill you guys in on where the farming positions are, because I'm a big farmer, And then Ron's a big airdrop guy.
Mm-hmm.
So you've been filling in on the Boxmining Plus channel. Like your videos are doing super well, like 5K on injective.
Yes.
Airdrop farming.
And it's so well that people on Discord recognize my
Your
Discord
face?
username.
Your face? You're like, Ron?
Yeah.
What's your username?
I'm just gonna say it. It's Artemis Cat.
Artemis
It's
Cat.
just one of my burner accounts.
Artemis Cat.
And
It's better. At least it's better than own skirt.
but dude, come on!
Own skirt.
That was auto-generated.
Own skirt.
That was Reddit
Own
generated.
skirt. Like you're cross-dressing or something, bro. Like,
don't-
there's two options here. Sorry. I need to write. I need to burn Ron and his fucking usernames. It's either your two options for own skirt to explain this. It's either you're taking upskirt photos of girls or you're wearing your own skirt.
No, that's
And I hope
Reddit.
it's the latter. I hope it's the latter.
I
Okay.
said
All right.
it's Reddit.
It doesn't matter. Sorry. You just. All right. Cool, guys. So that's what we're gonna fill you guys in on. Like some humor, some really horrible humor.
What the fuck is own skirt? I don't get
That
it.
I don't. That's your username, no?
That's what Reddit generated for
That's
me.
your username.
Come on.
I would have rejected that username.
Okay, my real Reddit is 6 foot midget.
6 foot midget.
Yes.
Jesus fucking Christ. But shh. Okay, all right. So we're filling you guys in on a lot of airdrops because like this is airdrop season. Like just to give an example, new paradigm, the Manta airdrop, it's ending in 4 days. But the amount of coins that they're giving out is ridiculous. Like ridiculous.
More than Into the Blue, right?
No, it's actually same.
Same.
Okay, but okay, so Manta, not Manta. There's two. Manto and Manto and Manta are different networks, but like no one like it's gonna be so
Netword.
netword. I cannot type today. I cannot talk today. But new paradigm is 50 million tokens, right? And this is insane. Like people don't understand how big these numbers are. 50 million Manta tokens. And initially we didn't understand either, right? I was expecting these tokens to be maybe worth like 35 cents. That was how much they raised at. 36 cents actually. They raised at 36 cents in their last round. So I was thinking like maybe a little bit above 36 cents. So this airdrop is worth maybe $50 million, right? But KuCoin pre-trading, Manta is let me just click this. Manta is currently sitting at $2. That's more than $100 million going into airdrop farmers, right? $100 million, right? That was why I was like, oh my god, why did I not put more ETH in? So TLDR, I will. Is it still worth it? You guys judge. Okay, you guys judge. I'll put our team invite link. Our team is doing super well. Look at how many people joined our team. This is how popular things are. And I have to thank you, Ron. You know what? You were the one who came up with the video first. You were the one. He was the one with the video. I was the one with the data. I saw those popping and I was like, you know what? Let's just milk this in terms of views. All right. Well, like for us, like we just want to give you guys the content you guys want to watch, right? It's not just milking this in views. I mean, it makes me sound so evil, but like I'll give the crowd what they want, and I put my own ETH on the line here, right? I put my own ETH on the line. I said, you know what? I went ape, but you guys, our team is just phenomenal. Look at this team list is like holy shit. That's how many people joined. So guys, if you're ever wondering if the hordes are back, well, you guys proved it. The hordes are back, right?
Yeah.
So a lot of ETH bridged over. Is it still worth it? You're gonna get one box. You're not gonna get I got like 3 rounds of boxes, so I'll get 3 times more reward because I've been farming this longer. So if you just go in today, you're gonna get a third of this airdrop. But this airdrop is still strong because I feel like what else are you gonna do with your ETH, right? Name me something you'll do with your ETH, and then I'll be
Blast,
and then blast airdrop. Oh yeah, that's true. Blast airdrop. That's true.
Eigenlayer.
Oh, Eigenlayer opening up on 29th. I put that on my diary already.
29th?
Sorry, I switched to Ethereum. So what you need to do if you guys are new, I'm assuming that there's a lot of different viewers here and you guys are not watching Plus. So for this airdrop, for the new paradigm, this is for for anyone who's new and has ETH or any ETH or USDC funds, and you just bridge over to the network and you get rewarded. The other airdrop that they're doing Into the Blue, those are for the people who have supported them for 3 years.
Yeah.
Right. So it's both. This is the short-term one. This is for this is for the last minute people trying to get on a train, and then the people who are on the train, they're on the first class carriages.
Yes.
That's the Into the Blue campaign,
Yeah.
and that's what you'll be focusing on. You'll be focusing on getting into the first class compartments of every airdrop. That's your objective. Wow.
That is my objective.
Okay, TX Street. Sorry, I'm gonna do a last deposit.
It's so high, dude. The gas
fees are like
it's still
ridiculous.
so high.
That's crazy, man.
It's so high.
Oh, it's actually 34. It's not that bad. Hey, 34. I'm not gonna complain. I paid at 70 yesterday, so it's still a little, it's a little bit expensive to use Ethereum right now. That's very much understatement of the century. But and make sure if you guys are interested in doing this, make sure you check out the transaction cost first. So I'm gonna make my gas cost like 32 rather than MetaMask's default of 40. Because if you do 46, you're gonna spend a lot more gas than you should, right?
Oh.
So
Mokadi says, I don't get Manta airdrop. Should I unstake my ETH? That is for the Into the Blue airdrop. That was the first airdrop.
Yeah.
The next one, this one that we're doing right now, is the new Paradigm airdrop.
Yeah, and you get boxes.
Yeah.
So you don't get the coins yet, but you get these boxes which will become tokens. Like they'll reward you with different tokens afterwards.
Yeah. And Aromatic also says, I think you get Manta airdrop if you stake TF.
Absolutely. We will show you all the paths. In fact, we showed you guys the paths 8 times on the Boxmining Plus channel. I have done this to death already. I have made Manta still good. I don't know. This is the first one. This is the first one Ron did on this. Manta network. It got good views, and then Michael came in and said, I came in and I said, yo, insane airdrops. Let me do this. This was during Christmas when Ron was away. And then I kept doing this. I did this to death already because I was exploring the ecosystem with you guys, and it was like great feedback. And this one got like 13K views.
Yeah.
This is the update. I had to find a new title for these. I had to find new best update. And then I had a last minute call. The motherfucker, not the motherfucker, but the Kenny. Where's Kenny? Where's Kenny Lee? Video. Where?
Here.
Oh, in videos. I had last minute call this guy to figure out what the hell's going on, because like I also put my money on the line, so I want to make sure things are going on right. So it was a good dynamic. It was fun. And yeah, so we're here. It's towards the last few days. I'm just getting that transaction confirmed. So, in terms of cost for you guys, this is how much it costs. It is on Ethereum. So the bridging, to Ethereum, sending from michaelbox.eth. That's my new ETH address. That will cost you $28. So it's not cheap, but it's not that expensive either. It's not $70-something. All right, it's not $70-something. New Paradigm. When you bridge over, so the ETH goes over to Manta Pacific, and you get Stone, which is just very weird. You get Stone on Manta Pacific, and Stone is a yield-bearing Ethereum. And then you get these boxes. I'm gonna get my boxes in 5 hours. Do you guys know, like, actually, if you guys are seeing this, do you guys know if it's the same time for you guys or for a different time?
It's different.
Oh, it's different.
The more ETH you stake,
No, it's always 1 week, but the countdown is probably when you first deposit. I think that's when you first make your deposit. That's the countdown for boxes. I think that's how it works.
I have to wait 17 days for my next box.
17 days, it's done. That's done. This is gonna end in 4 days, so I think you can either do it today or that's it, man. So.
I think you still get boxes after.
No, you do not. You
Really?
do not. I asked Kenny. I asked Kenny. This is why I called the motherfucker, right? Because I'm like, yo, I don't want to read. I just want to talk to you. It saves you so much more time. All right, guilty confessions. Confessions. Oh, good. We're still on. Llama666 says he's late to the party. Never late.
Hey.
Never late. So once you bridge over, you're gonna get those tokens on Manta Pacific network, which is already live. So it's actually quite interesting. Like this whole airdrop, why I think it works so well is because the network is live already. And then Manta Pacific network, this one. You know, when you use your computer, nothing works when you want it to work. You know there's a law, right? Is that called Murphy's Law or something like that?
Yeah.
That's called Murphy's Law.
I think it's Murphy's streaming law.
Murphy's streaming
it
law.
always happens when you're streaming.
Yeah, Manta Tab Pacific Explorer. So you can see that I've been like fully committed to this ecosystem. I've deployed quite a lot of funds here. So once that happens, you'll see token transfers, and you'll see that Ethereum popping in. So you should see. You just have to wait internal transactions. Let me see if that happens. No, if you have to wait, you have to wait. I should have stone, but I don't have the stone yet. So basically, you have to wait like 5-6 minutes, and the stone will appear on your account. See, nothing works when you want it to work. Stone. Anyways. So once you get the stone, you need some Ethereum, you need some Orbiter to cross that bridge, cross some Ethereum over. Typically speaking, I just cross it over with Arbitrum. So a lot of people were like, oh, I can't open boxes. Well, you don't have ETH, right? Sorry, I'm very angry today. You don't have ETH, right? So you need to get some ETH. This is why it's very confusing. And this is why this is for experts, all right? You have to be an expert.
That's why you have to bring Kenny to clarify.
Yeah, I bring Kenny to clarify everything. Like, Kenny, come on, show me how that's done. Motherfucker, click the buttons for me. Sorry for swearing. Sorry guys. This stream is gonna go downhill from here on. But that was how this came about, right? But once you get the Ethereum, then you get the boxes. So I have like 100 something boxes, and these boxes become NFTs, and those NFTs you can eventually use them to to get the airdrop, or the airdrop will be dropped onto the NFT holders. That's if that makes sense. So you want boxes, all right? You want as many boxes as humanely possible. All right. Didn't Orbiter get hacked? Well, it doesn't really matter, right? Like I think everything gets hacked. Right?
Yeah.
Welcome to crypto.
Welcome to DeFi.
Welcome to DeFi. You essentially want your 500% APY. You want to make 100% in 2.5 months. So when you do get hacked, you're still good. That's the worst part of DeFi. And people are like crying. People thought I was crying. It feels bad sometimes to get hacked, right? Like I've been a victim of many hacks, but I made like so much more money. It doesn't matter. Like at the end of the day, I'm like, yo, it doesn't matter.
It's risk management too.
Bitch, bring on the hacks. I mean, heck, even my FTX thing fell apart. That caused me to be extremely emotional.
Yeah.
But hey, good news. Bids are on 71% right now. I'm signing some documents to sell my FTX claim.
Very good.
Get that money back and just deploy it into this market. So
nice.
So good times. Good times.
Michael's so loud, he said.
Michael's so loud. Yeah, of course. It's like you gotta go make this 24K magic.
Signs of the times.
24K magic. I just want to read some comments. We got Jesus coin.
Jesus coin.
Jesus Christ, no. Jesus, no. Huge will make huge profits. Oh man, we got the altcoin pumps again. We got the altcoin pumps again. You know who I will be the biggest dumper for?
Who? Wait, let me guess. Let's see. Let's scroll down the list and let's see.
It's who? Wait, what? Never mind. I'm not gonna say anything. I was gonna be. I have a lot of coins, man. I have a lot of alts. I got essentially, you know, right? I've been spending the whole of December buying alts. I wasn't even making videos. I was just like buying alts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You weren't even eating.
Yeah. Don't eat. Buy alts. And then now I'm buying ordinals. So we're gonna cover ordinals too. I was a little bit late on the ordinals game. I was like, I hate these JPEG nerds, but hey. You know, open your mind.
Open your mind.
Open your mind. Did you watch that episode?
Oh, which one?
Oh, never mind. Rick and Morty. I think you don't.
Yes!
Open your mind.
But which episode?
The recent one.
Season
9. Yeah. Open your mind. Open your mind. Season 7.
I haven't got to this yet.
Okay. Alright, never mind. Let's not play Rick and Morty. But open your mind. Open your mind.
Open
your mind. Be open-minded. You have to be open-minded going into this. Buzzme says, did you complete KYC for FTX claim? I still need to send some documents. So essentially, the KYC, it's really ludicrous. Just talking about the FTX claim. So FTX claim, they made a new website for that claim. and then you need to redo KYC again. And we're discussing within our circle, like, this is ridiculous. The lawyers just want to make an extra round of money because FTX already has my KYC, right? KFC.
Okay.
They already have my KFC. They already have. Whoa! How do we get the fireworks?
Because you said they have my KFC.
They have my KYC.
Okay.
Wait. How do I do this? How do we get fireworks?
I don't know. It randomly happens.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's not the heart.
It's not the heart. It's not the heart.
Not the heart.
Okay, but FTX already has my KYC, but the lawyers want to charge another round. Like they want to do a little bit of marketing and they want to do another round of KYC. But yeah, we have to redo. Long story cut short, we have to redo KYC again. Then we have to submit income proof. We have to submit our trading records. I have to put in some SAFs in to say, yo, like I'm not a poor ass piece of shit. Here, please have my KFC. Please approve my KFC. Please. All right. But also on the note of KFC,
Yeah.
I was watching a video about how KFC got so popular, but don't you think that KFC, Colonel Sanders, was probably super racist? Do you think this guy
Of course.
would I don't know, wouldn't he be super racist? But yeah, I'm just saying, like, he looks super, like, looks like he's gonna hate Asians.
Have you seen the logo, right? You scroll up. See the down a little bit, down.
Yeah.
You see this logo, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't that look like his body instead of a bow tie? You never look at it the same way again.
Oh yeah, that's right. But yeah, I'm like, this guy's probably a white supremacist and he probably joined the KKK. But that's just it. Okay, sorry guys. Deter. So that's pretty much the Boxmining Plus channel in a nutshell. If you ever watch Boxmining Plus, we go off on tangents. But anyways, I just did my bridge. I just opened my boxes, hopefully, on this stuff. Did it even work? And then Kepler wallets. Nothing works on live streams. I just need to get used to it. I just need to get used to the fact that nothing works on live streams. And then why is it saying unknown here? It's known. Relax. Calm down, guys. I know what this is. It's called Ethereum. All right? Chill.
Yeah, why
down.
does it look so scammy?
Scammy, yeah. It's because this is a different computer. So we stream from different computers. This is my main computer, which I do the box mining stream on.
Okay.
And then I have a second computer, which I do the box mining plus streams on.
Okay.
And you have a computer.
Yeah, I have a computer.
And you have a computer. So that's why it's so messy for us right now. So please bear with us whilst we optimize. And I feel like this is a time where, like, I said, guys, please put up with me for a while whilst I get everything sorted. But anyways, I have money in Layer Bank. I'm milking every single airdrop, so I have money to play and buy JPEGs with.
Mm-hmm.
That's my new resolution this year. I will make money every day so I can buy shitcoins and JPEGs. So yeah, so I have some monthly yield on this one. I've been harvesting Layer Bank. I've been depositing my TIA. So you were saying, oh, did you move your TIA over to Manta? Yes, I did. I in fact moved 150K worth of TIA onto. Actually, wait. The net is not that much. The net is, so I borrowed and whatever.
Look at all that TIA, dude.
You got some TIA here. I got some Black Panther. Wakanda's going to go on forever. There's so many places to yield right now. It's not and I want to say, can you zoom in on my face so I can make a statement. So I want to say, right now, yield farming is not as crazy as it was in early DeFi season, right? If you follow my channel, if you follow this channel and farmed YFI with me, YFI, that was utter insanity, right? Because we got that token. Literally, I was farming and harvesting like 3 YFI per hour, right? And when prices went up to $60,000 per YFI, I was laughing my way to the bank, right? So it's not as insane as that time. It's not the 1,000% APY yet. It's not absolutely stupid like insanity, but it is much better than during the bear market, and it's worth me redeploying a lot of funds and taking the risk of like potentially these things blowing up to play, right? Because like if we get even 10-20% of our funds that we cross over the bridge with, that's great, right? I was telling Natalie that, like, even if she has 1 Ethereum, she crosses that bridge, right? She can potentially make $300, $500, and she's on Manta, and she can get the Manta rewards, right? So, Alex, the producer, says, "Is this financial advice?" Absolutely not.
Absolutely.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not a financial advisor. But, uh, but I was joking to her like, "Yo, like, what the hell are you doing with your life, right? Like, what are you doing with your life? Like, please."
Yeah.
Please, and I bet she's not gonna listen to me because like Natalie, she's like,
No, she's moving.
she's moving?
Yeah, she asked me questions
wow,
last night.
wow, I'm impressed. I'm thoroughly impressed. Like yet again, just as a start, right? Oh, I need to fill this into 300. Like 299 is a pathetic number.
Oh, you need to
Pathetic,
round it
pathetic.
off.
And where are my boxes? Where are the boxes? Where the nothing works on stream, so I'll fix this up later.
It's over there. Not this one?
No, but I opened them just now. Nothing works when you need it to work. But let's at least see if Manta Pacific has my coins now to show you guys at least the bridge works. Manta. But we're gonna do a lot. It's gonna be very very experimental. I think we're gonna move box mining to the experimental end as well, because I feel like in this market, if you're playing it safe, you're doing it wrong.
Exactly.
Not financial advice.
Not financial.
but if you don't have balls, you are a loser.
That's why the planet trade is gonna go crazy.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh my god! He's being for real. That was the fastest I've seen you move in 3 years.
Oh shit. Not an old man anymore. I was just hiding. I was just hiding. Alright, so 10 minutes ago, wait, not 10 minutes ago. Let's see. Internal transfers. Sorry, I'll fix my computer. Internal transfers. I just want to see the amount the funds going in. Coin balance history. This Explorer sucks ass. This Explorer really sucks ass. But yet again, we're so new that it doesn't really matter, right? It doesn't matter. Oh, Nat did it. Yay, mine more boxes. It's box mining, baby.
Actually, she's waiting for gas to go down a little bit. But she already...
Don't be cheap. You know what? Welcome to crypto. Like, is that sexual harassment if I slap her with a slipper?
If you slap her with a slipper?
Yeah, that's sexual harassment, right?
I don't think so. Because you're trying to get...
There's nothing sensual about it,
exactly,
right? So that's fine.
sensual.
It's fine. It's just
exactly.
It's motivation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Let's just save that for it.
Okay. All right. Save that for another day.
Yeah.
Fox says, watch KFC documentary, has nothing to do with racism. But I'm just reading the subtext, right? I think like they buried it very well. But I think like maybe I'm being a stereotypical Asian. We'll do some research. And then he's showing huge again. Early meme for some real purpose. I might buy it. You know what? Open your mind.
Open your mind.
Open your mind.
Yeah. You know, I missed out on the fire token pre-sale.
Really?
It ended yesterday.
It ended yesterday. Oh no. Did it pump?
I don't know. I think it's
it should
still...
pump. It should pump.
Yeah.
Luna Classic Maxi, where are you? Where are you, bro?
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go?
Where did you come from?
Where'd you go? You know, yesterday I made a DGen play, which is I invested in long or 1018A.
And that's what it's spelled out to be.
Yeah. So this is long. Little Dragon. Apparently long was not cool enough, so they got 10 and 8. And it's kind of funny. Like I was like, what is this, right? And you Google this, and it's like people thought this was a virus.
Yeah.
It's like it's not influenza stuff type H10N8. So it's not a virus, guys, but it will go viral. We were confused, right?
Yeah.
It was very Chinese, so it got lost in translation, right?
Yeah.
This is long.
Yeah.
It's not a virus, but it will go viral.
Okay.
Virality.
Now I see what it meant.
Okay, new backer, Boxmining. So guys, smash up the likes for that logo. Boxmining, motherfucker. Sorry, I'm very excited today, but there's a lot of Chinese. This is like catering to the Chinese crowd. It's all. Look at this. It's like a dragon holding hongbao. But anyways, I'm investing in quite a few DGen projects. I actually have a list here. I'll just disclose that I got Kasu, Nibru, Bitcoin Cat. I got into Bitcoin Cat. I minted some cats. Kasu, Long, Zero Len. Oh shit, you can see my allocation sizes. So yeah.
You showed me that last month.
Oh yeah, really? Okay.
Forgot.
So I'm deploying money,
Okay.
right? And I also did a lot. Just node setups guides coming up as well. So I'm gonna set up my node on my side node is up. So XI node is up. I'm a bit late to the party, but it's never too late, right? Xi nodes are Xi just got listed on Binance. Not XAI, but Xi nodes. Xi Games. This one is an Arbitrum layer on it's an Arbitrum layer. It's built on Arbitrum, but it's an Ethereum layer 3 built on Arbitrum layer 2. My English is still good enough. All right. So this is set up already. I also got a Myria node. This is being set up, and Myria just pumped today, so I'm very happy. So altcoin season, Myria. Myria's up 17%. So we're in good shape. We're in pretty good shape. It's
pretty good.
It's run and I was a little bit concerned because it was like sliding, right? Myria was sliding, and then now it's like resurrection. Oh, sorry. Let me unblock this. Yeah, there you go. So it was sliding down, but then I pretty much bought at this point here, which is like perfection. Perfection. You can't ask for a better timing than that. But anyways, long story cut short, lots of alts going on. But the Ethereum narrative is coming, right? And then now that Ethereum narrative is on, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy because all these smart contracts are coming up. All the layer twos, because Ethereum is so clogged up, people are gonna realize the power of Ethereum. Then they're gonna realize the power of layer twos. Then layer threes are gonna come. Gaming narrative is gonna come. It's gonna be like pretty insane.
Cryptogram wants a monkey.
Cryptogram, send me your interactive address, please. Send me your interactive address. We'll send you a monkey. We'll send you a hand-drawn monkey.
The one.
A hand-drawn monkey.
We scanned it already, no?
We scanned it already, yeah. What's the next Shiba? Ron, that's your job. Your job is to discover the next Shiba. The next Shiba is long. The next Shiba is 10 H10N8 the virus. That is the next Shiba Inu, guys. That is the next Shiba Inu is 10N8. And people are asking why is it 10 why is it not 10N9? It's because 8 is a lucky number for Chinese, okay? It's Chinese. Ching tong ting tong ling.
Dude,
it's red. Red is the year.
What did
red
you
is
say?
the year. Ching tong ting tong ling. Remember?
Ching tong ting tong ling.
So it's an old meme. Ting tong ting tong ling. You don't know that? That's the meme. The Asian meme. Ting tong ling. That's what we say. Apparently, when we're talking about crypto, it's ting tong ling. Oh, it's the law. It's the 1018N. Ting tong ling. Right.
You said it so effortlessly too. Ching tong ting tong ling.
Yeah, we're Asian, bro. You're not Asian enough. You're not Chinese enough.
I'm brown, dude.
You're brown.
There's nothing
cool.
Chinese about me.
All right, cool. I think that's it for today's stream, guys. Do you want to cover anything else? Do you guys want to ask about anything else?
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Chinese New Year is happening next year. Now, traditionally, there's sort of a Chinese New Year dump.
Yeah, I think it's over.
It's over?
I was a little bit.
Though.
Yeah, but Chinese New Year dump. So Chinese New Year dump. I'll give you guys the data for that. So Boxmining has the best article. You know Boxmining. This guy called Boxero Mining.
I worked there.
You worked there. Yeah. Boxero Mining. All right. So we did some stats on this. It's usually before Chinese New Year the dump happens. So we're in the dump period. Which is why I think Bitcoin didn't grow that much, because like the dump period is a little bit before. Usually 2 weeks before. That's when the Chinese need to cash out. Right? They need to cash out. Like the factory stopped, the dump happens, and this was the dump history, right? So 2000, there was massive dumps. I don't know why we didn't have the 19. Yeah, it was like 2%. Yeah, it was like 10% dumps. It's not a big dump, guys. It's not a big dump. So usually there is a Chinese New Year dump, and it usually happens before Chinese New Year. And Chinese New Year right now, New Year.
February.
It's in February, early Feb. It changes every year, by the way.
Yeah.
Date.
Because they have a Chinese calendar.
A Chinese. It's February 10th this year. It's a Chinese
Ting
calendar.
tong ting tong ling.
Ting tong ting tong ling, February 10th. Okay. All right, sorry. This is so racist. We're so getting canceled. Boxmining is so getting canceled. And you know what? It's like I'm allowed to be toxic because like Nat's even more toxic than I am.
Uh-huh.
So Natalie from our channel, she's even more toxic. So, you know.
Yeah.
But so it does happen. It does happen. So anyways, we're gonna also explore the Manto ecosystem. Mintrust just moved to Manto because they know the power of that ecosystem. Like Manto's so rich, man. Did you get Manto Stake Thief? No. All right. So new alpha leak for you guys. New alpha leak in layer. So okay, so this is one of the biggest narratives is restaking this year. All right, and I'll just talk about Eigenlayer first because this is really billions of dollars, right? Currently on this protocol right now, it's on Ethereum. There's 657,000 Ethereum staked, right? 657,000 times the current price of Ethereum. That is $1.6 billion being staked on Eigenlayer. All right, so this is a project that is like guaranteed Coinbase and Binance listing, right? Guaranteed.
Yeah.
Like I'm not even gonna like sugarcoat it at this point. Not financial advice, but like there's no saying no. Binance cannot resist saying no to $1 billion, right? So Eigenlayer is moving this concept of restaking coins. So a lot of big funds that are holding Ethereum, they're trying to make the most out of that Ethereum, right? So they put it on Lido and they get a 3.7% on Lido, right, for validation, right, for validating purposes. But this genius guy came up and said, why is that money just sitting there, right? If you stake on Lido, why is it just sitting there, right? So he says, why can't we just like restake that into Eigenlayer and use those funds to secure other networks, right? The way staking works is that you kind of like, it's kind of decentralized governance. Anyone can be a bank, but if you fuck it up, they take your stake, right? That's how Ethereum works now, right? That's how staking works, right? Proof of stake works like that. Proof of work means like don't fuck up or your work is gonna go to waste, right? Proof of stake means don't fuck up or your funds go to waste. And restaking is exactly that. They're basically saying like, why don't you restake? Use these funds again. They're still worth value. You can transparently see the value into this ecosystem, and then you can deploy that onto other chains. I think this is my best explanation on this.
That's okay. I see the difference now between restaking and liquid staking.
Yes. So restaking is like making a. It's like it's like that meme where like the banking guys are like we repackage it to this, then we repackage it to this, and then they'll go this, and it's gone. Right here, we're transparently repackaging everything. Right. You're staking into Lido, that becomes a decentralized node that runs there, and you still have full custody because you have the key. Now that this asset is on Lido, and we can transparently see that it's on Lido, can we transparently move that fund to somewhere else? So it goes to show that money really matters. That's what restaking is. Restaking really benefits, shows that money really matters. Okay, now back to the story. I wanted to make a video on this when the deposits were open, but the deposits are closed right now, because they got more money than they can handle. They got $1.6 billion. They're like, yeah, you know what? Let's close the deposits, right? However, they are going to reopen coming the 29th. So we're going to make videos prior to that. It's going to reopen because this is such a big project and they want as much money in as possible eventually that they're reopening this. And then the whole objective is to stake here and get Eigenlayer points. Anyways, we talk about this extensively on Boxmining Plus, where it's bleeding edge. But yesterday, Eigenlayer is going to reopen. Now, with the reopening, something interesting is going to happen, right? This is when Boxmining Plus needs to follow here. So I spotted this yesterday. So they're going to reopen. There's a blog about it. But when they reopen, the most popular liquid staking product called Lido ETH, that's already full. So even when they reopen, right? If you look at Lido Ethereum, it's almost at 20,000. They're gonna cap every one of these pools at 20,000, right? So I found this new alpha hack. This is my new alpha leak, right? So they're gonna allow the Manto stake ether meth. Right, that's a horrible name. I like Bybit projects have the worst name. Okay, like Manto is called METH meth. So they're gonna allow meth on this project, and meth will be able to be staked here. And something that's interesting about meth,
It's not live yet. Okay.
is that Manto is using the treasury to double up the APY.
Okay.
So this is like an alpha leak right here. So Manta, this is why Manta is so powerful, because they have so much fucking money. They can just
Just ape it.
throw that in. So you get double rewards until April, and you can easily convert your Lido ETH into meth. The meth, this is a meth lab that works.
Yeah.
This is a meth lab that works. So you can convert your Mantle Ethereum into staked Ethereum for free on native x.finance. So I'm actually going to do that today. All right. So don't dox me, but I'm going to do that today on my other account.
Okay.
But then that means you get double your APY, and then you're in prime position to restake into Eigenlayer when that comes out.
When's that gonna be?
29th.
29th.
I actually set a calendar. But it's gonna be like early morning for me, so it's gonna be hard. Oh wow, gifting. It's the season to gift. Crypto Graham, welcome. Crypto Graham just gifted 5 Boxmining memberships. Thank you guys so much. We were pushing memberships yesterday on the on the Plus channel, because we realized that for YouTube to work well, you gotta have some members, right? So is it $199, $299? But we're gonna ramp up membership. We're gonna do more stuff for you guys. Like we are plowing so much resources into the Boxmining channel. It is ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a fun time, and I'm having so much fun. I think that's a difference now. Like before, I wasn't having fun when I'm making videos, but now I'm having fun. Yeah.
Why is that?
Oh, you're around.
Damn.
Because you were a complete fucking idiot last year and you sucked ass. And now you're cool now. So now finally I'm like, shit. Now I have a friend. I bought a friend.
Yeah.
I bought a friend.
You bought one.
I bought a friend, guys. I bought a friend. So, wow. Crypto Grand says, I was gifted yesterday, so I'm paying it forward. Thank you.
Wow.
Generosity. This year is a year to be generous. You know, that's my new motto. My new don't take advantage of this, but that was my new New Year resolution, to be more generous.
That's admirable.
Yeah.
Just like Crypto Graham did. Thank
Crypto
you so
Graham,
much, bro.
pay it forward, guys. We gifted out some injective cats yesterday. The monkey cat. No, not cat. Mad Cat's monkey. I'm getting confused now. But we gifted some out to people on the channel. We'll try to do something similar. So, guys, if you also want to leave your Ethereum or Solana or injective address, leave that down below. You will be pleasantly surprised. And also, guys, if you want to join in this awesome exchange, you know what the awesome exchange is called?
What is it called?
Tish, take one guess. It's an awesome exchange.
It's called Guynance. What?
Oh, zoom in on your face.
I
Zoom
saw
in.
there's this exchange called Bytex.
Buy text.
There's like a huge arbitrage.
It's called Bybit, guys.
Price
If you guys want to join Bybit, now is the best time. Okay.
But it's not financial advice. It's about this Bytex. It seems so scammy as fuck.
Yeah, don't touch scamming
Don't touch
exchanges.
that shit.
But Bybit is actually doing super well this year. So normally, like it's kind of funny because Ben is quite. He's a fun guy, but also like you don't want to be on his bad side, right? So, anyways,
Yeah.
I got the opportunity to interview him and check out his office. So it was like pretty amazing. Like, yeah, he was actually cool. He's really cool. This guy is like, but you don't want to get on his bad side. And he's a good businessman. Like I feel like Bybit's gonna become like the number, like they're gonna become the not only top tier, but they're gonna become the next level exchange. I feel like now that Binance is kind of in like this intermittent stage, right? They're kind of waiting for everything to happen. But Bybit is gonna be like kind of stealing that thunder.
Yeah.
So there's like kind of 2 upcoming exchanges that I really want to get close with. One is Bybit, and the other one is OKX.
OKX.
OKX is getting a lot of Chinese volume. So apparently
Yeah.
they're getting 15% of the ordinals volume, whilst Binance is only getting 14%. So OK is actually pretty okay.
That's pretty okay.
And Bybit is more than okay. Bybit is like, dude, 4 stories. One day I'll have an office that big. One day I'll have a lift in my. I'll have an escalator in my office.
I think
right?
you can definitely have one right now.
That's the. Look how cool the office space is.
Yeah,
right? Like,
everything is so themed.
it's very themed. Should we pick a winner? I want to give Sassy something. I
Yeah,
wanna give
man.
Sassy. I'll give him. He's been supporting this channel for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you guys for showing that. Let's go give Sassy something. Oh, this wallet doesn't work. Come on, come on, please. Let something work, please. Let me. Can you grab my other computer? It's out there. I'll send that out. Also, guys, thank you for sticking on in such a long stream. We're doing longer streams and we're just chilling and chatting with everyone. But yeah, this is just a hangout. I want this channel to be more hangout like. There is a comment which says you cannot sign up for Bybit in Singapore. So I think there's kind of 2 ways around that. So if you make a Seychelles company, so if you're a Seychelles entity, which is what some professional traders do in Hong Kong, so they either set up a BVI, a British Virgin Islands, or a Seychelles company to do their trades. That helps a lot. So that's one way of getting around the KYC restrictions, is to set up a separate entity. And it also helps, like, I'm not the expert on this, but I do have lawyer friends that are helping me set up different entities, because at the end of the day, that also reduces your personal liability to things. And also it just makes your taxes a lot easier. So that's the next level.
What did you say?
Makes your taxes low. Set up a it's like, there's a shitty joke that all my lawyer friends have.
I think you said it before in one of the videos.
You gotta phrase it correctly. It's
zoom in on your face.
Evading tax is illegal, but avoiding tax is legal. I think that's a shitty joke. I can't tell it properly. I'm not a lawyer. Only a lawyer can tell this joke. But they're always talking about, like, you cannot legally dodge a tax, but you can legally set up these entities which kind of like reframe your tax.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So, like, let's say if you are trading personally, then you, in other countries, not in Hong Kong, but in America, you have capital gains tax, right?
Yes.
You like Coinbase, and this is why I hate Coinbase, but Coinbase will immediately dox you to what's up? IRS. So they immediately dox you to the IRS. They immediately say, here, IRS, do this and tax that motherfucker. All right. So that's why Coinbase sucks ass. All right.
They're snitches.
They're snitches. Snitches get stitches.
Yeah.
All right. But okay, but that being said, you should not hide from the IRS, right? Hiding from the IRS is bad, right? That's bad. But if you trade with a BVI or a Seychelles entity, you can legally report that. That's no problem. And you're not trading. It's not you who is trading. You are the Seychelles or whatever entity. And this is also not tax advice, by the way, guys. You have to actually see an actual tax lawyer. I don't have this. I'm not American, so I cannot say anything on behalf of Americans. Okay, so but in Hong Kong, like in order to trade, we have to set up different entities. And I think there are some people that set up different entities and they set up different funds. And then if you're the LP of the fund, that works. But then I guess when you cash out, that's a problem.
Yeah. But I know a lot of them use BVI.
Yeah, BVI.
Yeah.
BVI. Hong Kong is like BVI and Seychelles. It does cost a few $1,000s to open. Or you can be a Palau, get a Palau ID, but I heard it doesn't work as well now. That was kind of the backdoor way to be a Palau ID guy, but it doesn't work now. You can just, yeah. Well, it doesn't work as well, okay? I'm not condoning this, by the way, but you can also be a Palau to respect the laws of residence. You're not a resident, you just got a resident ID, but you can buy one for $248. And Tim Draper bought one, so it's okay. And Vitalik bought one, so it's okay. So they're up. You know they're up to something. Right? Even Tim Draper got one. Look at that smile. He's clearly not a pedophile. Don't laugh. You're making it worse.
You said
You're making it worse. You're making it worse.
Wow.
I'm taking it out of context. I'm taking it out of context.
Toxic.
I'm not toxic.
Toxic.
You are. I am not.
Gaslighting.
I am not toxic. You are. Am I gaslighting? No, absolutely
You
not.
are crazy.
I am absolutely not gaslighting. I'm not
You
gaslighting.
dare gaslight the gaslighter? Wait, what?
What? Wait, what? Wait, did you just
what?
admit to being a gaslighter?
I don't know what you're talking about. You're
Scammer.
crazy.
All right, Sassy. Let me see Sassy's address. Let me send him some injective. What's Sassy's injective? Oh, Sassy's actually sent a Ethereum address. I'll send you some Manta ETH. Manta ETH, baby. Most useless ETH right, actually most powerful ETH right now, actually. But it's Manta ETH.
For 69 days.
Wait, let me see what ETH I have. Let me see. I'm gonna send. Well, for whatever gifts I'm gonna give people, I'm gonna give them on like different networks so they can experiment. That's cool, right? Look how cool I am. That's a cool idea.
Yeah, you're actually cool, Michael, dude.
Yeah, actually cool. Wow, like not paid, not paid. Okay, paid, but real opinion, right? Wait, where are my wallets? Oh, I know. I'll send them from this computer.
Okay.
My God, I'll send them from this one. I'll send them from this address, and I'll send them ARB ETH. There's ARB ETH, and do I have Manta ETH? Nope, I don't have do I have Manta ETH? No. Oh, I do have Manta ETH. Look at that. I do have Manta ETH. All right, how much is like $20 divided by 2,500? All right, we'll send them zero. Oh, that's a good number. 0.08. We'll send them on Manta, and he's have no idea how to claim it. And then you have to watch
show up as unknown.
And show up as unknown. It'll show up as unknown. It's that's great. Wait, why is the chat different? Why is this chat showing his injective address and the main chat on the other one is showing his Ethereum address? I don't get it. Nothing works. I tell you, nothing works when you want it to work. Nothing. No tech. The Murphy's Law on tech. All right, put some addresses on here, guys. I'm sharing some love, guys. I'm sharing some love. All right, so he sent an Ethereum address. So Sassy, you're gonna get it on the Manta network. All right, Manta. Repeat after me. Manta. 0.008. All right, I'm gonna send that. Boom. Confirm. And he has no. And if you don't know how to claim it,
He thinks he's gonna get poisoned, dude.
he's not gonna get poisoned. ETH.
What is this?
What
Unknown token.
What is this? And what is this?
Yeah, but it's gonna show
A
up as
token
unknown.
for ants.
A token for ants. I need it at least 3 times bigger than that.
Oh my god.
The good old days.
The good old days.
Back when they had TVs.
Back when it had TVs, exactly. All right, well, I'm gonna set this correct. I'm gonna set this right. Like, look, nothing works. But I guess it's good to have you, Ron, here because, like, at the end of the day, if I don't have you, doing this will be very awkward. Like, I'll be like super sad when I'm doing, Pacific. All right, so because like you need to fill in the space, right? You need to keep talking, otherwise the chat feels very like not there.
Wait, scroll down to chat.
All right,
Let's see what chat talks about.
Chat's talking about. I'm farming a Manta. Oh, Sassy says I'm farming a Manta.
Oh,
yeah,
hey.
baby. Yeah,
You can
baby.
get that stone.
Look at the stone. All right, guys, follow your Ethereum addresses if you want some Manta. Not Mantle. We'll do Mantle later. But okay, that just sent out just now. So we send we just send $20, and that's a good number. It's not about the value. It's about the fortunes. It's about that's why people give red packets during Chinese New Year. It's not about the $10, right? It's about the positivity.
Yes.
Right? And it's exactly 0.08 ETH.
Yeah.
So 0.08 ETH is a good number. Right?
And that's lucky.
That's a lucky number.
That's a lucky number.
It's a lucky number. All right, so fill out your Ethereum addresses if you guys want some. All right, Glimper Juliana's good. I know her. She's been on this channel for a long time. So we'll send her 0.0888. Will be even better. Okay, 0.0.0. 888. Right. This is the Chinese. This is like we're fully Asian now. And the gas price. You know what the gas price is?
Oh my god.
8 cents.
You cannot make this up.
You cannot make this up. You cannot make this up. So like Glimper Juliana, if you don't see it, use the Manta Explorer, and then you can just go on Layer Bank or something, and then when it selects network, you can just add it on Manta, and you can play around with the network and watch our other videos on Boxmining Plus. It'll show you how to play around with this ecosystem and do your stuff and whatever. Do your bridge. You can do a bridge. You can do your arbiter. You can start getting airdrops and turn that $20 I gave you into $2,000. This is the crypto dream. This is crypto, guys. All right, we'll do one last one. You choose the next one. You choose the last one.
All right.
You choose the last one. Let's see who's there.
Let's see.
So yeah, lucky numbers. Lucky numbers works, guys. Lucky numbers. Hey, BJJ is here.
BJJ, yeah.
BJJ is cool.
BJJ.
BJJ is cool. Yeah, BJJ is cool. He's gonna get our knockoff monkey anyway. So
This is an EVM address.
Manta is an EVM. It's a layer 2, right?
You're gonna give him a monkey?
No, we're gonna give him a. He said he did not want the fake monkey,
Okay.
but we're gonna give him that to him anyways.
Okay.
All right.
Let's do that.
Say Kung Fu Tech is here. He I don't know who he is, but I'll give him some money too. Like we'll share some love. We'll share some love.
Now everyone is okay.
All right, giveaways. Because like I feel like we need to do some more giveaways. So let me just check that out. Yeah.
We got a Pavement Solutions.
Yeah, BJJ's I rescinded. Remember, lol, what a troll. Exactly. That's why we're gonna give you more. That's the way crypto works. That's the way crypto works, brother. That's the way it works, brother. That's exactly how it works. Crypto. Welcome to crypto, baby. All right, so we just sent some transactions out. Success. Shameless show for our Manta. Very cheap gas. Look at the gas cost for this. The gas cost transaction fee. All right, you do that. You times that by 2,500. But probably the ETH is more than that right now. But whatever. But it's actually quite expensive. It's 14 cents. I'm gonna call Kenny. I'm like, yo, you scammed me. It's more than 10 cents for a transaction fee. You scammed me.
In the video, you threw shade about that.
Yeah, I threw some shade. He's like, it's cheaper now. It's cheaper now. Well, no, it's not. It's still more than 10 cents. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable. We did it in a live stream too. Yeah. I think every time during the live stream, the costs go up. That's how it works. It's unacceptable. Unacceptable.
10 cents is still unacceptable for you.
Absolutely not. Absolutely unacceptable. Let me just double check. Yeah, it's unacceptable. Let's see. But I thought it's 8 cents. But anyways, unacceptable. Unacceptable. You're just making me happy by looking at the live giveaways. Sohan says. Can you please give us a help? What's the wallet address? Any Ethereum address. Any Ethereum address is good. All right.
Yeah. I have one more alpha.
Okay, one more alpha.
I think you also qualified for this airdrop. Have you been trading NFTs on Ethereum?
Yes.
I think you qualify for this. So
yes. Unfortunately.
Guys, if you've been trading NFTs for the past year, I think Mint blockchain already took this snapshot.
Okay.
And you should be able to qualify for their airdrop. So click on mintchain.io. But even if you don't qualify, you can still join the airdrop on January 17. So go to Mint Pass, Mint Genesis NFT, and then you click claim.
All right, this is not gonna fuck me up, right, Ron?
No.
Okay, cool. I don't I need to connect to my Boxmining .eth address. So how do I do that?
One of our Boxmining Plus fans told me about this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
See, that's how the channel grows.
Exactly.
It's like they give you stuff.
Yeah.
Minus the one thing that was spammy. There was like Straxum or something that was spammy.
The Straxum, yeah.
It
wasn't just
scammy,
our video. Other
video got scammed on that scam. But like we will try to do as much due diligence on whatever you guys suggest as possible, and then we will go from there. All right. But yeah, guys. Beggars can't be choosers. Hey, fake monkey's worth more. Okay, this is the crypto ball. All right, fake stuff is more.
Exactly.
Haven't you guys dropped that fucking Mason Margiela? It's all about fakes.
Jason Margiela?
Jason Margiela.
That's definitely fake. Jason Margiela.
I can't even spell his name. See, this
Jason
guy.
Derulo.
All he does. Jason Derulo.
Jason Derulo.
Jason Derulo. Sorry, we watch way too many memes. We watch way too many memes. But all he does is fakes, okay? The fakes are worth more. The fakes are worth more. All right, cool. Yeah. Jason Derulo. We should put something like this on it, and then we'll be like, this is the 11th fake that were made, you know. All right, Yurav Sophia says, why BTC not pumping after ETF approval? You know what I think my theory is that all the Wall Street insiders, they knew that this was going to happen, so it got priced in already. So it's already built into the price. But then they forgot to buy Ethereum, which is why Ethereum is pumping. They're like, oh crap. We forgot about Ethereum, and then now Ethereum is pumping. So it's like, instead of Bitcoin's day, it's Ethereum's day right now. Adita, our girl says, what's going on, guys? We're doing new live stream. All right, guys. I think that's pretty much it for today's live stream.
Yes, sir.
It's already priced in. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a very, very long stream. I would love to give out a little bit more money, but who looks cool? Sohan, you choose one, Ron. You choose one very quickly. Let's do one last giveaway. One last live giveaway.
No, scroll up. Let's see.
Don't screw up or screw up?
Scroll up, scroll up.
Screw up. Sohan's been typing it many times. Should we
Yeah. We didn't give Sohan?
We didn't give Sohan. Well, maybe we should Sohan.
Welcome party, yeah.
I'm new to crypto. He says he's new to crypto. Cool. Okay, that locked him in. But it's on Manta. So he has to keep watching videos to figure out how to get the funds out.
I see what you did there.
Where did I give
Very
away from?
smart.
Which wallet did I use?
That's a lot of wallets.
That's a lot of wallets. Okay, there we go. I'll send that. And then 0.00888. $30, baby. Well, it's actually 22.9 now. All right, and the fee is
8 cents.
8 cents. All right. All right, folks. Thank you guys so much for watching today's stream. It's not played, but that's happening. We got some injectives as well. But yeah, guys, leave your wallet down there as well. We'll try to find more ways to give away. Also, there's gonna be a massive giveaway coming on Bybit. All right, and you qualify. If you sign up today, you qualify. All right. So what they're gonna do is they will do the draw. So they will fund this.
Yeah.
So they are being the generous ones because they're the ones that make the money. I don't make the money from the Bybit shit. They are the ones gonna make money. So they're gonna do. What the plan is for the Bybit giveaways is that we're gonna do the giveaways live on stream. And you can get like 50 or maybe 100, or it depends on these random numbers. But what we'll do is that we'll choose UID, so user ID. So if you sign up for Bybit with our referral code, which is down below, if you sign up for that, we'll pick UIDs out during the live stream to give money away, and that will be Bybit's money. It won't be our money, right? Because I don't want to bleed my money. So, that's not cool. But today was my money. It's all my yield, man. I'm giving away my yield. Because why not? I'm feeling good. Spread some positivity, some generosity, guys. Be generous. And I really, really appreciate you, Cryptogram. You got some free membership yesterday, so you gave away 5. That is the way the world works.
Yeah, man.
I feel that positivity. I feel that generosity. So thank you guys so much for watching today. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Anything else?
Don't forget the monkey for Cryptogram.
Oh yeah, we gotta give him a monkey. This is really cool, by the way. These things. I'm just showing a product. This is
Tax write-off.
Tax write-off. This is how it works. So this is how. Oh, this is how it works. Okay. This is the black inhaler. You get these in Thailand. So they're minty. They're minty inhaler. They got menthol. They got peppermint oil, they got camphor, they got eucalyptus oil. So you just do that and you breathe it in and you feel very refreshed.
Llama says abrupt cutoff commencing.
All right, bye guys. Peace.
Peace.
Peace. Bye.
Where does it go? Where's the cursor? It's gone.